So now we'll be learning how you can actually put up a text in Photoshop. So basically what we know is the text tool is this one. Here you can see, okay, and if I right click here, you can see I do have my text key. Here is the horizontal type tool, vertical type tool, the vertical type mask tool, horizontal type mask tool. Okay, so this is the type tool which with which we are basically going to work now. So let's start with writing some text in my particular project here. So now here first I will come choose this horizontal type tool, keep my mouse on here. Okay, and I can, as you guys can see, I do have the font style and the font size as well. The coloring also I can manage it from here. So let me type Air Jordan, and now I'll just select this particular text, increase the text size from here, and with my move tool from here, what I can do is I can bring this particular one here, and I can actually resize it according to the way I want. Okay, I can resize, and from here, so here as you can see I do have my text here, and from here I can change the font style. As you can see I do have a different font style here, so I'm thinking which one to choose. Okay, I'll just choose this particular one, and yeah, I'll also maintain this, or uh, this size will be fine, no problem with that. But what I'll be doing here is I want it in a different line. So from here I'll just click on enter. Okay, and now I will select both of these text and I will bring it in center. Okay, and now I will select this text. Using my move tool I will be moving this one here. Okay, so now you can see I do have my text here. Okay, and if I select this text box particularly here, I can also change the leading. Okay, so what basically leading is the spacing between two line. So this spacing between this two line is called the leading, and from here I can actually increase the leading, or I can actually decrease the leading according to my need. Okay, so this looks good, and from here also I can change the spacing between the letters. Okay, here I can change it, uh, and from here, oh yeah, this one is the option of spacing between the letters. So this one, okay, this one is called the tracking, and this one is basically the kerning, like between two characters. Okay, so here I hope this one is clear. So let me just put up a different color. Okay, so let me choose this color, and this color is okay, but let me try down different colors as well from this section. Okay, I will try to get some color which matches. So here I have just designed this first layer here, and now let's come to this one, and I want to add some text in here. So what I'll be writing is I will just write here in this layer, I will try to write, well, first let's select a simple layout. Okay, I will cut this particular one. I will cut this as well. But let me first decrease the size of this. The size, I did some mistake here because I have increased the size here, and afterwards I didn't actually check here. Okay, so here with this tool I am just going to come here in my layer option. Okay, so from this layer option I will choose these particular layers here, and I will right click, delete layers, and I'll click on yes. So from here now, again, I'll try writing something. Okay, and I will select 14, and I'll start from here. So I'll write Nike, and I will just select this particular text, and now I can actually increase the size accordingly. Okay, so 48, let me take 72, let me go till 150 right here. Okay, mm, okay, so let me select this particular text. With my move tool here, I will decrease it to 120. So I'll just decrease it to 120, click on enter. Yeah, this looks good, but what I'll be doing is I will just change the color here. Okay, so again, I'll come here on this text option, select this particular text, come here. Okay, so as you can see, I do have the color option here. So what color will suit it best? I can just check it down from here. So let me try different color from here. Let me get a proper view of the whole panel, that I can see which one actually looks better here. Okay, so here I do have few colors. Okay, so I'll just choose this basic color from here. Okay, and I'll just click on OK. And yes, as you guys can see, I do have this particular writing here. Okay, by mistakenly I have again created a page which I will delete. And yes, I'll delete this layer as well. So now with my move tool here, you can see I have written this one. And again, if I want to write any paragraph here, what I'll do is I will create a text box here. Okay, so here in this particular text box, if I want to fill any text or if I want to write any text, now I can write any kind of text from here. Okay, So if I come here and the edit option, here you can see I can also check spelling from here of a particular paragraph or a particular sentence as such. Okay, so suppose I want to just fill this particular space here. Okay, so in that case, I can just use the Lauren Ipsum, or I can just fill it with some dummy text here just to fill up that particular box there. Okay, I can do that as well. Otherwise, I can just type it. If I just want to type something which I do have particularly on my mind, I can do that as well. Okay. So for me here, I will be just typing it from here using my type text. So I'll write, first I will just select, this is the layer 2. I will just delete this layer. So I'll just delete this layer first. Okay. Uh, I'm just creating some of the unnecessary layers here, sometimes by mistake. Okay, so here again I'll come to the type tool. I'll create a box here, and in that box I'll type. Okay, let me just select some simple font and then select this here. Okay, I can just fill it up with Lauren Ipsum, or I can just type as I want. So as I told you guys, I'll be typing of my own. So here I will just cut this the same way. I will cut this as well. Okay, I'll just cut this one. So it just keeps on coming. Okay, so I'll just move on with my backspace. It will keep on coming. So no worries. Let me just copy this one itself. So let me just select this particular text from here. Okay, as I just want to show you guys how it actually works. So here I will change the font size to 36. Otherwise, I can change it to 48. And yes, and with my move tool, I can move it in the center. And here I do have this. Okay, and I can change the color as well from here. Okay, and just let me make a circle here. Okay, so I do have the option here. So I do have the ellipse tool. So Shift Alt. So I'll put cancel, and I'll just create a particular shape here. Okay, and this ellipse I'll delete, and with my move tool I'll just move it on this corner, and I'll also change the filling to white. Yes, so this is done till now. So here I have explained to you guys about how I changed the font size, the font style, how I did add coloring, and how I managed to write a paragraph here as well, like a whole sentence, and these are dummy text. So hope you guys have understood this class as well. And after this, we are going to learn about how we can actually wrap our text, okay, in Photoshop. So let's start with that.